Have you ever paid your credit card on time and still felt stuck? If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Most people in debt aren't irresponsible. They're exhausted. They work, they pay, they try to be careful, and yet the balance barely moves. Today, we're talking about why people stay in debt and how the financial system quietly keeps the cycle alive. No hype, no shortcuts, just the reality most beginners never hear. Let's be honest for a second. If getting out of debt was easy, millions of people wouldn't be stuck in it. Imagine this. You earn $3,000 a month. Your expenses take $2,700. You think, I'm okay. Then interest hits. A bill shows up. Something breaks. And suddenly, you're back at zero. If you've lived this, you're not bad with money. You're inside a system that makes this normal. Let's talk about minimum payments. They feel responsible. They feel safe. But they're designed to keep you paying for as long as possible. You do what you're told. You pay on time. And the debt stays. That's not discipline failing. That's design working. Debt doesn't feel dangerous anymore. Phones are financed. Cars are stretched over years. Even groceries can be delayed with credit. Everything is sold as just a small monthly payment. But no one shows you the full cost. When debt feels normal, escaping it feels unnecessary or impossible. Here's something most people never learn. Life charges you now. Income pays you later. Debt fills that gap. And the system is very good at offering fast fixes that create long-term pressure. Banks don't need you debt-free. They need you predictable. Interest, fees, minimum payments. Even advice often teaches you how to manage debt, not eliminate it. Once you see this, you stop blaming yourself. Stop asking, can I afford this monthly? Start asking, how much will this really cost me? That one question changes behavior more than any budget. Balances don't trap you. Interest does. Always attack the highest rate first. Even small extra payments matter. This is strategy, not sacrifice. Debt loves convenience. Remove saved cards. Automate payments. Make spending slower. Friction protects your future self. Staying in debt doesn't mean you failed. It means you were taught money inside a system that benefits from confusion. Awareness is the exit. Like the video so more people find it. Subscribe for simple finance without hype. And comment below, what kind of debt feels hardest to escape?